My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2015 Volkswagen Golf R. This vehicle has done just over 58,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights. On the screen, using the buttons to the left, we can get quick access to radio, media, phone. To the right we have setup, sound, car and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, and just below the screen we have our AC. The Golf R comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we have race, eco, individual and normal. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.